Hello everyone, welcome again. This is me from Learn Arabic with Barazy, and today we're gonna learn a new thing. We'll talk about Alhamza. So let's get started. A lot of you said I don't smile in my videos. Sorry for this, I'll do my best. Marhaba. In the previous episode, we took a brief look at the Arabic alphabet. I tried to make you familiar with it, but I know that there are so many strange sounds to you. And I told you that in the future I'll explain these strange sounds. And this is what I'll start now. Today, I'll start explaining these strange sounds by giving an anatomical explanation about how these sounds or how each sound is produced, and I'll give you tips so you could master producing and pronouncing these sounds. And today we will start with Alhamza. So let's get started. Actually, when I talk about Alhamza, the first thing I could think about is the glottal plosive. So let's think about the Cockney T when they pronounce button, or the stop T in American English when they pronounce words like student, mountain, Manhattan. If you looked at the previous examples that I gave, you could recognize the Hamza sound in each one of it. Because when I produce the Hamza sound, the air is completely blocked under the glottis, then it releases abruptly. And this is what happens when I produce the stop T or the Cockney T. And you can know the exact place of this sound by looking to this figure. You can note from the second figure that you can see right now beside me that the vocal cords were completely blocked. Then it opened suddenly to produce the explosive sound of Alhamza. It's commonly accepted that the English word which starts with a vowel, actually it starts with a glottal plosive. But nevertheless, the non-native speakers find difficulty when they try to produce this sound in Pale. So, to make it easier to you, let's have an example. Think about the word like egg. Egg. This word starts with a vowel. Try to pronounce it many times. Egg, egg, egg. Then try to focus only on the first sound in it. E. You now produce the sound of Alhamza. And now, after mastering the sound of Alhamza, you have to know the common mistakes that foreigners do when they produce this sound. First, overpronouncing it, like saying ana instead of ana, which means I. Second, less pronouncing it, like saying yamur instead of ya'mur, which means to order. And now it's a time for a cultural tip. Hamza in the most dialects turns to a vowel. Like for example the word ra'yak, which means your opinion, turns to be rayak. And this happened usually in the Gulf dialect. And the word like Kas, which means glass, turns to kas. The second cultural tip about Alhamza is that Qaf sounds turn to be Hamza sound in the spoken Arabic. For example, word like Tariq, which means road, becomes Tariq. Ta-da! It's so easy. This was everything for today. I hope it was not a boring lesson, and honestly I tried to make it as short as possible. If you find this video beneficial, please subscribe to my channel and press like and share to tell your friend about it. And in the comment below you can write the Arabic words that you know which contain the sound of Alhamza. Okay, see you soon. Goodbye. إلى اللقاء.